Me Sober Curiosity has always kind of been a no rule exploration of my relationship with alcohol. What it did was it allowed me to really get clear with myself. And that to me is what Sober Curiosity has been. It's not been like this hard, fast line of I cut out alcohol one day and I never went back. And I think what happens is we kind of put ourselves into this box where we say, well, I'm normal. I don't have a problem. I'm not an alcoholic. So I can drink and I can just do it however I want to do it, or how I used to do it 10 years ago. We're all kind of looking for moderation and balance. I know that so many of us too in the sober curious community aren't looking to like completely cut alcohol out of our lives. And I think it's really cool to be able to not only find the moderation and balance, but to be able to talk to other people about it so others might go about their drinking in a more mindful way.